Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I'm excited to share with you that I'm over in Eastern Idaho today at the Shoshone-Bannock Hotel and Casino, and I'm really excited about this one because it's in my home state. We're over in Eastern Idaho, basically kind of by Pocatello in a little area called Fort Hall, Idaho, at the Shoshone-Bannock Casino Hotel, and this place is so cool. We had stayed here about 6 years ago, and it's been completely redone. I'm just blown away. Really nice gift shop, lots of restaurants and places to eat. But the one thing that really blew me away is what they've done with this casino. The last time I was here, it was actually in an outbuilding, and now it is really, really nice. The casino is owned by the Shoshone-Bannock tribes, and let me tell you, as you know, I've been traveling to Vegas a lot covering properties there, and this has to be one of the nicest casinos I've seen. They have so many of the latest and greatest machines. They have a great players rewards program. They have a bingo hall. They also bring in some amazing concerts and entertainment. I was really impressed with their lineup for that. So if you get over this way, definitely consider stopping. They've got a really nice spa on property called the Cedar Spa. And I'm going to walk you down this hall to my room, which is an executive king room. And as you can see, got a big oversized room with a big king bed. And this room has some pretty cool features. One of my favorite features is that there is a door right outside this room in the hall that goes straight to the parking lot. So that's kind of convenient. And just the overall feel of this room is super roomy. And it's kind of got that nice, fun tribal decor, lots of space for storage, and really a lot of normal hotel type things, as you can see. But there are a few things that I felt like make this property a little special. So it would be a great place to stay if you're just driving through, but also a fun destination if you wanted a nice getaway. You could request a room like this for more space. The rooms include a microwave and a little fridge, which is nice. Oh, and the actual room number on this room is 140. It's at the end of that first floor hall, again, which is really cool because the parking lot's right outside. So as you can see, just so super spacious in here. Got a really, really big parking lot out in front. And as you can see off in the distance are the mountains. This is kind of a destination that is between destinations. So again, great place if you're traveling through. And the window in this room is huge. So if I open this window, it just brings in all that beautiful Idaho sunshine. It's so good. Just really cool. So if you're coming through Idaho or want to come for just kind of a fun, unique visit, this might be a great destination for you. I was just kind of impressed with all the things that they've done with it, and just little things that make this just a little bit different and unique. And I'm going to show you some of that is the fact that this bathroom is huge. It's so big and it's so beautiful. Like, they have just done such a great job with these, and they have so many cute little amenities, little toiletries. They even give you a little toothbrush and a teeny tiny toothpaste. It's so cute. A walk-in shower. And a jacuzzi tub. So that's pretty cool. Like these are really nice, big, well-kept, very clean rooms. So another thing that just kind of impressed me about this place, this bathroom is really, really big. So anyway, I wanted to give you a peek at this. We're going to be spending a lot more time in this part of Idaho. So I'm kind of trying to familiarize myself with things in the area, and especially with this casino attached in the rewards program. I wanted to share this with you because I know that these little details are so important about the properties that we choose to stay at when we travel. And this one is definitely one that we were impressed with. Just a really neat property to stay at. Again, it's the Shoshone-Bannock Casino Hotel in Fort Hall, Idaho. Let me know if you have any questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.